there's one train going to London Waterloo. This train's from Poole and Weymouth to London Waterloo. And there it goes. And number 19, 109. There he goes, takes the curve, heading towards London. As that train departs, cross country heads off to the depot to get ready for its return journey. Goes back to Manchester Piccadilly. See that in a minute. So, just remember all the train numbers. So, you know, so all the trains line 2 is where the centre of first thing I'm telling you. So, I would never let my dinner go back to full park with those weird people from the same schools, you know. I prefer just to go on our own, really. Just like, that's a movie I saw once a long time ago. Yeah. I mean, I feel sorry for that poor boy Desalt, who had to proceed alone for the final day of that crash. It was not his fault at all when you think about it. I mean, surely people can give him and bring him back again. Not just bring them back only once. Yeah, there we go, viewers. We're now lovely Bournemouth. This is where I like trains, Bournemouth. You can get good buses from here to Swanage, but now you don't have to worry about too much. I mean, only going to Swanage on days I feel like it.